Dreambaby is a professional diaper bag manufacturer. We have different models diaper bags. This is our production workshop for diaper bags. We have 2 different factories with 70 machines to meet different requirements from customers. This is our new model of tote diaper bags. It has both leather model and fabric model. It also can be a good fashion bag for our travel. Welcome to have a contact with us to custom your own diaper bag. You can custom your bag with logo, patterns, and design with us. You can find our website and catalog by below. Please follow us for more info.